Hey, Kerri and I are coming at you today with a PR package from Born Pretty. So Kerri picked these goodies out. Did you pick good ones?
I hope so. I don't remember.
Well, that's no good. They must have been pretty good when you were looking at them.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
I imagine they're good.
We'll imagine. Imagine we got some good stuff in here. We'll see what we got. See what goodies there are.
Okay.
4, 5. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so I think we've got a bunch of cat eye colors here, but we're going to check it out and see.
Oh, this is the exciting part.
And then we got this really nifty stuff. It's called poking gel, and it's got a base gel that goes with it. And this is the stuff that does the cool spread thing. Not a blooming gel, but the opposite of a blooming gel. Instead of
gel.
Yeah, instead of blooming out, it blooms in. I don't know. I'm not sure how to explain that. So we have here. Ooh, these are looking good.
Yeah.
This says Purple Mystery and Sea Blue.
Ooh.
Flowing Light White and Smoky Ash. So we'll take a look at these colors first, because this one is a bit of a setup there. My favorite's purple, so let's start with purple. All right, so this one's Purple Mystery MY81. That looks like it's gonna be a cool purple cat eye. Like, look, you know we love our cat eyes.
Wow, that's really nice.
That's a really deep purple, okay?
Yeah, I like that.
Ooh, look at that deep purple jelly. That's so deep, it's almost black. Well, not, but you know what I mean? Like
Very, very, very nice.
Okay, we'll cure that one. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with another layer. And this stuff is so dark that maybe I shouldn't have put that jelly layer underneath, but I probably didn't have to, is what I should say. I probably did not have to put a layer underneath. Let's see.
Right.
Oh, look at that. It's such a pretty purple magnet.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And it shifts really good.
Yeah, it actually has and it's nice and
Ooh, I like that.
Silky. This is a very silky,
Yeah, that's nice.
very silky magnet on there. Look at that.
I like it.
You don't like that one?
Yeah, that one's really nice.
You can handle that, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's so pretty. That is a super pretty one.
it is.
I'm jealous. It should be.
Oh, I'm jealous.
I have a few to choose from.
Oh. Here, let's
can't
swap. Can I pick one to swap out? Would you like to swap with me? Here.
You can't have this.
I don't care.
I'm gonna be selfish and keep it. It's too pretty.
You're swapping something out with me then. Yeah.
This is so pretty. Okay,
I'm going to pick your favorite purple and take it.
Give me the flower tip magnet. No.
Nope, this one.
Yeah, there you go. I'm just curious what this is gonna do when I put a flower here. Ooh, look at that.
It's very like...
This is really nice and reactive.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Purple Mystery MY81. Looking good. All right, so this one we have is Sea Blue MY83. Oh, look at that.
Oh
this
my
is that typical mermaid. This is
my
where
God.
you shift blue to purple with teal
It's like the
in there.
freaking rainbow.
Yeah, it's so awesome. This is like always my favorite. My favorite transition always. I can't help it. I try and like kind of get out of the box, but oh, see, so this one, look, this is kind of like a different formula, it seems, right? It doesn't have that super, super dark.
No, but
Like super.
every time you move it to swipe, it changes color though.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Oh, wow, that's so nice.
So this is a little more sheer, unlike the last one. So I will do the double coat on this one.
Wow.
But although I did not need it.
And then
on the
just
last
wait
one.
till you cat eye it.
Yeah.
Holy.
So we're gonna
Holy.
take away the surprise first. Yep.
Oh my, look,
So
it's
we got
like
a jelly,
clear.
like a crystal blue jelly, like very, very, very faint crystal blue jelly. So I'll cure that. Okay. So this will be the magneting coat, where we see what it really does.
That's so cool.
We'll see how the magic happens. All right, what are we gonna get? Ooh. That blue, look at that. So you got a bit of a teal shift in there. First it looks blue. On camera it's picking up really blue and teal.
because I'm sitting to the side
You're
of
seeing
you,
purple.
I'm
Look,
seeing
there's the
and
purple.
orange.
Yeah, so blue, but shift, and you've got major purples in there.
Yeah.
It just, the camera's not picking it up as good as we are. Like on this angle, I see it so purple. Like my eyes right now are looking here and seeing it pink and purple. But I'm not
on camera. It's
I'm not
blue and
catching
teal.
it.
There you go.
So that's what I'm seeing. Oh, there you go. There we're hitting the pink. That's so neat. It's hard to pick up though, because it's not the main shift, the main color, right? It's like the underneath
very nice
accent light color, right? Super pink there. Yeah, this is beautiful. Wow. You're gonna have fun with this one. And along with that purple, the other one we just did, the purple one, ooh, those could look really pretty. It looks totally teal in the camera right now. That's so funny. Oh yeah, and it's a nice strong reaction.
Neat.
Super pretty.
Yeah.
That one's gonna be
That's cool.
All right, so this one is Smoky Ash, MY78. It's like a silver. Yeah, it's a really interesting silvery tone here. I'll go up here.
It does seem smoky. Like I do very much get
like I could say gray, but it's kind of ashy.
Yeah.
It's not quite gray. It's not quite silver. Ooh, it's smooth and like metallic-y. Those are really nice.
Yeah, it's a very nice silver.
It's way lighter going down than I expected. It makes me wonder what this one's going to be like when this is like flowing light. That one's called. I wonder if they're going to be similar.
Clear.
So yeah, if you pull it out, your jelly looks like just a gray, a nice like really sheer gray jelly base, right?
Yeah.
That's a nice sheer translucent gray charcoalish jelly base. Yeah, this is really pretty even just by itself. Right? Even without doing your magnet. So I think you're gonna come up with like a, ooh yeah, just a super glow, like a super silver glow.
Ooh, yeah, that's really nice, eh? It's very velvet looking.
Yes, yeah.
My God, that looks like Pascal's fur. I have a rabbit and his name's Pascal and he's gray and he's a Rex rabbit and that's what his fur looks like.
Yep, there you go. You could do little bunny nails.
Little gray Pascal bunny nails.
Yeah, and I have those things that you pop onto the magnet that does the little bunny ear things.
Yeah.
We haven't tried them yet. Oops, I touched it. Let me try that again. Might just be me.
It's one of those polishes where it's super beautiful, just like that.
Yeah,
just
that's gorgeous.
Pulled into the middle or all over.
Let's see.
Oh, there you go. That's better.
Yeah, I was just
Way
wiggling.
better.
I was wiggling. It was a me thing.
Yeah, that's way better.
That was user error. There, that's so
Yeah,
pretty.
that's nice.
And it's got a little bit of gray tone background. Love it. That's good for fall stuff. This one is Flowing Light White, MY77. This is the one I was really excited about because I was wondering if it was like a white. Ooh. I was like, maybe this one's staying here because it looked like it was a white. And I don't have a white. I don't have anything in white.
It like also is a little gray sheer.
Yeah, this goes on like super light Terminator chrome look, but very, very light. Very light, very pretty, very delicate. As opposed to the stronger chrome colors that are very like rough looking, mechanic looking. Okay, let's pull the color out. So again, just a very, very, very
light gray.
sheer whitish light gray.
Yeah, whitish light gray, yeah.
Here, so here we're gonna go in. We're gonna do the magnet. This is so pretty. It's so light. Oh. I feel I have something like this in my Bandai collection, but they were so sheer that they were like really see-through when you look at them. So, oh, look at how bright that white is.
Yeah, that's really nice, eh? Oh, it looks so velvety.
Yeah, it does. And I don't know. Would you say this is white or silver? It is
I don't know because like
silver, right?
I do see elements of white in it, but it has the element of silver in it as well. But so it's like a silvery white, and that's kind of what flowing.
I don't know if they could do just white. But yeah, like that is so.
It's very nice.
Not grayish looking, right?
And when it's so all pretty. Pulled up, it does look white.
Yeah.
Like from this angle, I do see white on the cat eye.
Yeah, and in the camera, it's looking very white. Oh wow! Look at how well that comes out too. Yeah, it pulls that defined lines really nicely.
Yeah.
That looks sweet. Okay, so lastly, we've got this poking gel, is what they call it. And it has a base gel, and it says that you apply it and cure it for 60 seconds. So we'll start with that, and it's like just a clear, really, really thin viscosity, like, you know, just a base gel. So we'll put that down, cure it for 60 seconds, and see what happens. Okay, so we've got our base gel cured on there. And then this poking gel is white, and they send you with a little cuticle stick to move it around.
It's very thick, eh?
Yeah, so I'm gonna get a application brush here. It's not too thick. It's kind of like regular polish consistency.
Oh, it goes on nice.
Yeah. Doesn't say like thick or thin coat or whatever, so I'm going in with like a typical regular coat that I would do.
Okay.
Seems pretty. And it's self-leveled quite nicely, so I didn't expect that. Just because it seems like it's a interesting gel. Go like this. I'm picturing sweater nails.
Yeah, eh? And look, you can see it does, like...
As I'm going down, the top ones are definitely moving, right?
Yeah.
Look at that, opening all up with these cool holes. Yeah, I think I was going heavy on it because I felt that like, oh, it needs to be heavy, but I don't think it needs to be heavy. But look at that cool reaction, eh? It's just like spreading and spreading. Or, I don't know if you call that spreading.
Opening up and
opening and opening. Yeah, it's like the opposite of spreading and spreading. That's so neat. The other thing too, though, like it shrinks from the edges.
Oh, I see that.
Yeah, that's actually cool. Like you actually, it gives a cool effect, but you need to expect that, right? Because it's like a shrinking gel. It's so neat. Look at that, eh? That is so cool. I'm so much more impressed than I thought I was going to be. And I guess like the longer you wait, the more it's going to open up. So if you want less, then you would cure it sooner. You'd try and be quick about it.
Yeah.
And cure sooner. Because look I'm leaving it and they're all starting to like open up and stuff, the holes.
Yeah.
Into one big space. Okay, I'm gonna get that cured quick. Okay, so now out of curiosity's sake, we're gonna try it over a color and see what that ends up looking like. So I've just put a Pretty Purple color down here. I'm gonna go in with the base gel. I have no idea how it's gonna react. This is a different brand. So I don't know if it cares if it's over top of something else or not. So just gonna pop this nifty base gel over, cure, and then try it again and see what we get.
She makes fun of her dog all the time, just so you know. I waited for you to record.
I'm blaming any hairs that come from anywhere on my dog. It's always the dog's fault, always. It's never me. That's not my hair, that's dog hair. Okay, so I'm doing this white all over the purple. I'm going lighter on this coat, I don't know, just to see what the difference is.
Well, it covers a nice dark color real good.
Yeah.
So that's a plus.
That's true, right? Yeah. Okay, let's try. Poking it up.
Yeah, just poke it up.
Poke it up. Pokey, poke, poke, poke. Yeah, look, it seems better if it's thinner. So I was going too thick with the other stuff. I don't know why this stuff isn't more popular out there. It just seems like it'd be so fun.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. And now we can do it over colors. Like now.
Yep, it's working.
So that's good.
There's little bits of white in there, but that's just because of the way I pulled it. I didn't do a very good job when I pulled on that. So yeah, more pretty. That's super cool. I'm so impressed with that. That's so neat. Now, ideally, I would cure right now before these lines start separating. Yeah. So that's what you got to do. You just got to watch it and see how it's doing, and go. You know, if you don't want them to separate too much, go quicker. Because if I sit here and wait, this is like perfect. If I sit here and wait a few minutes, these lines are going to start melting into each other, I think, right? That's so cool. Okay, cure. And just for a high one, we wanted to see what a chrome would do over top of it. Okay, so I'm going in with just a cheap Amazon chrome, because these ones are dark, but they don't stay that well. They don't stick that well. Ideally, I just want to see if it sticks to the chrome and not the base, or sticks to the gel and not the base.
It looks like it is. That looks really neat. Holy smokes.
Yeah, it's basically letting go from the base, right? But it is sticking to the chrome, or the white poking gel. That is awesome. Those are little dots. Oh, that's why it's sticking. It's not even sticking to the base. There's little bits of white there from the poking gel.
Oh,
and it's just sticking to the gel. That's awesome. Yeah, it's just sticking to the white gel. It is not sticking to the base at all. Sweet. That is awesome. I don't know how I got this part to stick so strong. It looks cool though. Look at how neat that looks.
Yeah, that looks really neat.
Jesus. I'm in heaven. That is so cool.
It is so cool.
Okay. I wonder. I don't know how to look at that. I'm like, I can't stop.
Ooh, that one's sticking even better. Why?
Maybe because it just came out of the lamp. Like
Maybe
because the other one I might have touched it too much with other stuff first.
The blue and purple look cool.
Yeah. Look at that. And it's holding so well.
Yeah, that's really great.
That is so cool. And this is a really crummy Amazon chrome that I have a hard time getting to stick to most stuff to give it a good look. And look at that. So white is perfect because, well, black would have been perfect too. Because black would have been, if you put one of those like white clearish duo shift ones over it, then the black would have been the base to pick it up. But either way, white or black, and look at, you can take your chromes and turn it into whatever color you want. That is so cool. I'm so excited. I'm so proud. You don't get this stuff.
Yeah, that's okay.
This stuff is staying here. It's staying here. It's staying here with me. You can use it. I'll let you come and play with it. But I'm too excited about that. That's so cool. I don't know why this stuff isn't like way more popular and out there. That'll do some really cool like 3D type designs when people are doing like those liquid metal designs. Yeah. And I'm no good at drawing those, even the abstract line work and stuff. Yeah. I feel like, oh, I'm no good at that. But hey, I can make holes. Yeah, I can cut holes. Abstract. And then that gives you that same abstract effect without feeling like you have to draw them out, right? Yeah. And that's why I didn't do those styles, because I struggled to draw out lines like that. But this does it for you. I'm in love. I'm super impressed. Sweet. So we got 4 amazing colors of cat eye and this really incredible poking gel.
Yes.
So
this
lots
was
of
a good haul.
You did a good job.
Yeah.
I'm impressed with your picks.
I didn't know.
I'm impressed with your picks. So hopefully we'll have a play with these and have some more stuff to show off. I'll put links down below for all of these different items. And if nothing else, check out this neat stuff, guys. This poking gel seems like it'll be so much fun and so easy to play with some abstract stuff, especially if you have any chromes at home. Doesn't matter that it's just one color, white or black. You will be able to do any colors that you happen to have for chrome at home. So, all right. Thank you so much, guys, for checking this out. This was so much fun. This is the most exciting one I've seen in a while.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Like, mine. I'll share. I'm nice. Okay. Anyways. As always, thanks so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed checking these out. You'll find all the links down below. Use my code LYN to save. And of course, until next time, don't forget to love your nails. Bye.